Lamphang ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela Thomas Sangma, udang Peit Bniah ya ke Kyrpad uba Adelbert nongrum MLA ke North Shillong, ketaba anam Pdiang ya ke rai be Seng Shipor persya yaunu MLA da ke Seng Sanhima Voice of the People Party VPP. Laong bau ba Adelbert ulaong, ketai ke rai be Seng Shipor kam kedau ya kumu MLA. Lamphang laong bau lapen poi ya ke kam syakistat an bat Advocate General ke Sarkar jela ban Peit Bniah.
I have also received a complaint from Adelbert regarding his suspension from the Voice of the People's Party. His suspension order was just addressed as Mr. Adelbert Nungrup, Jayo, Shillong. No mention of MLA or anything. So his contention is that there could be many other Adelbert Nungrups living in Jayo. So it is not addressed. His suspension order is not addressed to him as MLA, whereas he is still elected member, elected constitutionally by his people. So he said, if you can take consideration to my prayer and not accept my suspension order, but I'm still examining it, and I have referred it to the legal department and also to the Advocate General of our state. Somewhat agree with Mr. Adelbert Nungrum also, because that his suspension order without mentioning him as MLA or without addressing him as MLA may not carry in the court of law. So that's why technically it seems very vague. This is suspension is only brought to my notice. It is not a question of whether I should accept or not.
Habatin, Peit bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut Peit ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya